Standard 6, Chapter 2, The Living World. Competencies: observing the various components of the surroundings, making notes about animals in the surroundings. Living things, non-living things. Classify the things seen in the picture into living things and non-living things. Characteristics of living things. Growth. Animals grow in height, weight and strength. Animals grow for a certain period of their life. Plants grow as long as they live. Look at the picture and discuss differences between the young ones and the adults. Growth is the characteristics of living things. Photosynthesis. In the presence of sunlight, plants produce food from water, nutrient in the soil and the carbon dioxide present in the air with the help of chlorophyll in the leaves. This process of food production is called photosynthesis. Animals do not have chlorophyll, so they do not produce their own food. They depend on other plants and animals. Look at the process of photosynthesis. Observe and discuss intake of food by different animals and note down. Next, characteristics of living things. Respiration. Living things inhaling oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide from in the body due to the process of oxygen is called respiration. Plants respire by means of microscopic pore on their stems and leaves. Fish have gills for respiration and human has nose for respiration. Respiration is the characteristics of living things. Next, characteristics of living things. Excretion. The process of eliminating waste products from the body is called excretion. Animals have specific organs for excretion. A tree shedding leaves. Plants excrete water in the form of vapors. Practical work. Plants excrete water. Excretion is the characteristics of living things. Responsiveness to stimuli and movement. The movement taking place at such a time is a response to a stimulus. The ability of living things to respond to a stimulus is called their responsiveness to stimuli. Observe the leaves of mimosa. Plants grow towards sunlight. Discuss about some other examples of stimuli. Responsiveness to stimuli is characteristics of living things. Production. The process by which a living thing generates a new living thing like itself is called reproduction or procreation. New plants are produced from the seed, stem or leaves of plants such as bryophyllum. Some animals give birth to their young ones and some lay eggs. Discuss about why do animals have been able to survive on the earth. Reproduction is the characteristics of living things. A definite lifespan. Living things have a definite lifespan at the end of which they die. The lifespan of different plants and animals are different. Look at the pictures and discuss about the lifespan of plants and animals. A cellular structure. Living things are made up of small units called cells. The living things that are made up of a single cell are called unicellular organisms. For example, amoeba paramecium. The living things that are made up of many cells are called multicellular organisms. For example, man, cow. A cellular structure is the characteristics of living things. Useful living things. Plants are useful for household and industrial purpose, also used as food and medicines. Animals are useful for domestic use and in various occupations. Make a list of Some useful plants and animals. Harmful living things. Harmful animals. Mosquitoes and flies spread diseases. Mice, rat destroy food, and the bite of some poisonous lizards, spiders, snakes, and scorpions can even cause death. Harmful plants. The Dhatura plant is poisonous. Collect some information about harmful plants and animals. Animals. Wild animals that hunt other animals for food are predators. For example, tigers, lions, leopard, wolf. Always remember, many plants and animals in nature satisfy our needs. It is the responsibility and duty of all of us to protect the plants and animals.